mom of one, I know how it feels like running a 9 to 5 job, taking care of the house, taking care of your kids, looking for that time you really don't have to spend more time with your kids. It can be a lot. And all this is because we're trying to get a means of survival, a way to earn money in order to pay our bills and then have the necessities of life. But all that can actually change if you have a side business you do, or if you have a particular business you do that is bringing in passive income for you, which is why today I'm going to be sharing with you my 5 favorite ways to make passive income. Hey Filipinos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Halimat Ismail. I'm a social media manager and content creator. On my channel, I discuss social media tips, content creation tips, and passive income. If this sounds like what you're interested in, click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss educative videos like this. So today, guys, I'm going to be discussing with you 5 passive income you really should try if you need to earn a supplementary income that will allow you have more time for your family and for yourself. The number one on my list is digital products. Yeah, digital products. That particular niche is booming and evolving. Digital products is evolving because everybody wants it easy. Everybody needs things on the go. They want things on their phones, on their tabs, on their laptops. Nobody wants to be carrying books around anymore. Everybody wants easy access to a product or service, which is why digital products is the way to go. By my calculations or by my research the other time, I got to find out that people make on an average up to $2,000 on digital products, and then the least, if you actually put in the work and discipline, you can make starting from $200 or £200, which is very, very interesting and lucrative. Okay, so what are digital products? These are e-copies of products people need, ranging from ebooks to planners to organizers to budget planners, things people actually need but don't have time to create themselves and don't want it on as a paperback. Those are digital products. They are amazing, guys. You really, really should look into digital products, especially if you are the creative type and you know how to find your way around platforms like Canva, Adobe. Is really, really the way for you to go. So really, really consider digital products if you're looking for passive income. Number 2 on my list is print on demand. Print on demand, just like the name implies, allows you to actually take in orders for a particular product, but you don't have to do anything, because there is a company that actually takes care of the product. That is the product from when someone orders, they create the product and then they deliver to that person. So we have 2 platforms, or I know of 2 platforms that currently does this. That is Printful and Printify. All you need to do is to link those particular platforms to a marketplace such as Shopify or Etsy. And then once that is linked, you put the prototype picture on your marketplace, which is Etsy or Shopify. And then when an order comes in, Printify or Printful will carry out the request. Now they have a bunch, like a whole lot of products you can explore, ranging from jumpers to sweatshirts to notebooks to tote bags. Like there are a lot of things that you can actually create using Printify or Printful and then market on Etsy or Shopify to make money. And then another thing some people do is you can actually bulk them using maybe your Etsy platform or another platform, and then you customize them and then market them yourselves on your social media space and then sell them. Interesting, right? But it is a fun way to actually make income. If you're looking for a side hustle and you're looking for something that wouldn't really stress you, then you should consider print on demand. Number 3 on my list is affiliate marketing. I really, really, really love affiliate marketing because it is you simply using products you actually like and use. And then when people buy through your link, you actually get paid a commission on that sale. Amazing, right? We've got a whole lot of platforms that offer this particular marketing type. We've got TikTok, we've got Amazon, we've got Shein, we've got Temu, we've got a whole lot. Just make your research, look for those things that you enjoy using and you buy a lot, and then register on that platform, and as you make content about that product and how you use it, when people buy through your affiliate link, you get commission based on that. Interesting, guys, I know. Now, number 4 on my list is Amazon Kindle. Amazon Kindle is my personal favorite. I'm even trying to go back on it because I left it for a while, but I'm going to go back in a couple of weeks time. So Amazon KDP allows you to self-publish a book. It can be a book you wrote, it can be an ebook, it can be a journal, a planner, any sort of thing, as long as it's in a book form. It might be a coloring book, kids storybooks. As long as it's in a book form, you can publish it on Amazon DP, which is amazing. And what happens is that if it's not the ebook, if it's a printed version, you upload it directly onto the platform, and then Amazon takes care of producing it and delivering it to that person, and then you get paid royalty on that particular product. Amazing. People are making a lot from Amazon KDP. And if you're the creative type, or you're looking for something that wouldn't really stress you much to actually create and sell, Amazon KDP should be your go-to place. The number 5, which is part of what I'm currently doing, is freelancing. Now, when it comes to freelancing, you can offer a whole lot of services, like a lot of services, ranging from virtual assistant services, social media management, designs, graphic designs, website design, a whole lot of things, administrative tasks, email marketing, email management, minutes taking in meetings. There's a whole lot you can offer as a freelancer, depending on what your interest is or what your skills are. And then the world is so good right now because you can find almost any kind of thing you want on Google or on the internet. Why I'm saying this is because some of us might feel like, oh, but I don't have the skills necessary to do this. I don't have the skills to actually go for a freelancing job. But there are platforms that actually offer you free training, guys. They hone your skills, help you learn more about that particular skill you want to offer, and even give you certifications for that particular skill that you can now use to market yourself as a freelancer. Platforms like Coursera, platforms like Allison, Udemy, HubSpot, all these platforms allow you to train yourself in a particular skill of choice, and then you get certification, and then you can start marketing yourself. That is so amazing, guys. So if you're looking to be a freelancer, you really should consider checking out these platforms I mentioned. And if you're looking to earn a passive income, and not just a passive income, you're looking to build a business, you can actually build a business, something sustaining, through freelancing. Like me, take for instance, I'm currently a social media manager. I started as a freelancer before I moved on to becoming a full-fledged business. At the time of creating this video, I clocked a year in business. Amazing, guys. And I'm not going to mention numbers, but I've made quite enough to actually sustain me from doing more shifts, or from spending more time out instead of having time to take care of my little one. So if you're looking to start a side hustle, or you're looking for a side business, you really should consider freelancing. So guys, I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things from this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. If you want another video on a particular topic, do let me know in the comments so I can create a video on that for you. And yeah, do support me by subscribing and sharing, and I'll see you on my next video.